hold the image gently, something already real, not waiting in the distance, but present in what I feel. I do not reach or strain, I do not ask when or how. I stay with the knowing that it exists now. What is accepted begins to lead. What is assumed supplies the seed. I concentrate on the ideal as a fact that already stands set in motion without effort, carried by unseen hands. What already lives in awareness finds its way into form. I give my thought a dwelling, a steady place to stay, and causes start arranging without needing my say. I remain with the essence before results appear, and direction takes shape when the signal is clear. I concentrate on the ideal as a fact that already stands set in motion without effort, carried by unseen hands. What already lives in awareness finds its way into form. Thought moves only where it is welcomed, where it is allowed to remain. When the mind accepts the reality, the path organizes the same. I stay aligned with completion, not hope, not wish, not plea. The pattern is already active and responds